Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today, I'll show you how to set alerts on TradingView. You might be wondering how to set alerts on TradingView. The good news is that creating alerts on TradingView is simple and straightforward. First, open TradingView and log into your account. Once logged in, select any asset from your watch list. For this example, we'll use Apple. Next, expand the chart by clicking the Expand option so the full chart is visible. Now, tab the three dots bottom of the screen. From the menu that appears, select Alerts. In the Alerts panel, click the Create Alert option. The symbol will already be selected since the asset is open on your chart. Next, choose the alert condition. You can set alerts based on price movements such as crossing up, crossing down, greater than, less than, or other conditions. After selecting the condition, enter the value and decide whether the alert should trigger once or every time the condition is met. You also have the option to set an expiration date if you want the alert to be active only until a specific day. Additionally, you can add a custom alert name and a message for easy identification. Once everything is set, click Create, and your alert will be activated. That's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.